Hey guys, Frances and Janelle here.
Hi.
And today we're going to be showing you what is inside of our next limited edition box. So this one is themed Beauty Onboard Wanderlust.
Yes, very exciting. So this contains 13 products valued at over $115,
Yep.
and you can purchase it for only $34.95.
What a bargain.
I know, on our Bella Box shop, but the link will also be above.
Yeah. So both Janelle and I are going traveling this
Yes.
June, which means we're very excited to get into these goodies and show you what we're going to be taking with us.
Yes.
That being said, I'll get into the first product that I have today, which is the EcoTools Relaxing Sleep Mask. This mask is great for blocking out all light while you're traveling. If you're on the plane or you're in a hotel room that maybe is not as great as the pictures suggested. It's made from 100% cotton and from organic cotton. And it also has an adjustable strap at the back, so it's going to be super comfy on your face.
Awesome. Now for some skincare on the go, we have the Garnier Micellar Water. This is obviously perfect for not only removing your makeup but cleansing your skin without needing to rinse it. This is a staple for many of us here at Bella Box, not just for when we go traveling but also just in daily life, so this is a great one. This is also perfect for if you're going backpacking and you don't have that much luggage allowance and you don't want to bring your whole skincare cabinet with you. So yeah, we know you guys are going to love this one.
Yeah. The next product that I have is the Cancer Council Face Daywear BB Cream. So this is a tinted sunscreen. It's got SPF 50, UVA and UVB broad spectrum protection, and it's tinted, which means it's going to even out your skin tone and remove the need for wearing any thick foundations during the day. It is in the tone medium, but obviously when you're going traveling, you usually have a bit more of a tan. If you need it to be a bit lighter, you can mix it with a different, a bit of a light foundation or with your moisturizer to even it out.
Awesome. Next up is obviously a staple for traveling. It's a must-have for your carry-on, and it is the Palmolive hand sanitizer. We have it in the scent lemon and white citrus. This kills 99.9% of germs, but it also has a light moisturizer in it, so it will ensure that it doesn't dry out your hands. It's also great because it leaves you feeling fresh and clean. So yeah, make sure to keep this in your bag, especially before and after you get on the plane.
Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but with me, if I go on a flight, I'm always very careful about getting sick and also taking care of my skin. So hand sanitizer is so important to make sure that you're not picking up anyone's germs on the plane.
Awesome.
The next product that I have is the the Philosophy Purity Clay Mask. So this is an exfoliating clay mask, which is great for on the go because it is a little sample size, so you can just throw it into your luggage. You'll probably get about, I'd say, 2 to 5 uses out of it, depending on how much you use at a time. Obviously, when you go traveling, your skin tends to get quite oily and sweaty and congested from the pollution, so using a clay mask at night is a great way to clarify and purify your skin.
Great. Now the next product is actually a duo from John Frieda, and it is their Frizz Ease shampoo and conditioner. This is great because obviously it will combat having frizzy hair, especially when you're traveling to a humid country. This is also great because it's infused with coconut oil, so it'll make sure that you have smooth and soft hair while you're traveling.
And once again, awesome travel size that you can take on the plane with you.
Yep, and most importantly, it's safe for color-treated hair, so you don't have to worry about these products stripping the color.
Perfect. The next product that I have to show is the Grant's Mild Mint Toothpaste. So this one contains no fluoride, SLS or parabens and is completely natural. It's a great size as well that you can take traveling with you, and you know that it's got no nasties in it.
Yep, perfect. The next product is from Steve Laurent. This is their creamy lip tints. Now what's great about Steve Laurent is that it is cruelty free, but more importantly, even though these are lip tints, you can use them on your cheeks and on your eyes, so it's a perfect multi-purpose makeup to come with you on your travels. We have this in the shade Dusty Rose.
Such a pretty pink.
Such a pretty pink. We know you guys are gonna absolutely love this one.
Awesome. The next product that I have to share with everyone is from Jalique, and it is their Rose Water Balancing Mist. So some of you may have tried this mist in previous Bella boxes, but Jalique have just repackaged their mist in this beautiful pink spritz jar. So Apart from looking great, the mist also smells amazing, and it's perfect for using on a long haul flight if your skin feels dry and all of the moisture is sucked out of the air. It will rehydrate and refresh your skin.
Awesome. The next product that I'll be speaking about is from Purr, and it is their fully charged mascara. This is great for amping up your lashes. It also thickens and conditions. It also has a great staying power, so it'll really take your look from morning to nighttime, and you don't have to worry about touching up. Again, perfect for traveling because of the size. You can easily fit this in your makeup bag, and we know you guys are gonna love this.
And I feel like when you're on the go, really what you need, obviously you don't have to wear makeup, but if you do want to wear a little bit of makeup, I love a tinted moisturizer, a bit of color on my lips and cheeks, and then a mascara, and it honestly just looks like you're completely done up. So
yes, and those are all what we have in our box.
So the final product that I have is from Dr. Bronner's, and it is their 18-in-1 hemp citrus pure castile soap. So as the name would suggest, this product does actually have 18 uses. If you want to know which one, unfortunately I can't remember them all off the top of my head, but if you want to know the 18 uses, you can go onto their website. But you can wash your body, you can wash your hair, you can wash your clothes with this when you're on the go. There's so many different uses, and it also smells great. So I'm gonna let you smell it, Janelle. It smells so nice and
super fresh.
Yeah. So a perfect one to take with you on the go.
The last product that we have for you guys in the box is from Lonvitalite, and it is their Collagen Crystal Eye Mask. This has hyaluronic acid, and it's also infused with vitamin C, so it will really help reduce those dark circles and help reduce the puffiness that you might get when you're traveling. So this is perfect to pop on when you're on your flight, but also after a long night out. This will just make you feel super refreshed and ready for the next travel.
Awesome.
Awesome.
That wraps up all 13 products inside of our Beauty on Board Wanderlust limited edition box.
We hope you guys are super excited. Again, it is $34.95, and you can purchase it on our website or click the link above. And until next time,
bye guys.